Blessed evening to my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, give God thanks and praise. We have life, health and strength. And you don't know, no matter the little situation we are go through, we have life, so we still have to give him praises, you know? Yeah man, it's only the dead man don't have a chance. Once we have life, we have a chance, alright? So, me there here, I go and do my little thing, and you don't know. Any little knife in here in the background, I don't know how green or city yet already. And the tap open and thing, you don't know you're going to hear bird and make noise and all kind of these things. But you don't know a thing go? Yeah man. So anyway, my people, don't know. That one you hot off the press. You don't know a thing go, you know. That one is straight out to the elder Daddy Gargon, you know. You don't know a thing go. Yeah, in coming to the YouTube world, and you don't know him an elder and give him like a version how him never sign up properly, and you know all these years him think say him a do the right thing and you don't know. Yeah, straight. So if a man when I run no joke anyway, him a tell us straight we ain't go to him not hide nothing. So anyway you bang from him come on, you don't know him a colour soldier. Yeah, he don't tell himself him a colour soldier. In different colours and colours accept him as a soldier. You don't know. Them have a good understanding there, right? And thing. Don't know. Him is a man we go in church on Sunday and him praising God. Yeah. One thing with him. He ever go in church and he talk about in God and thing? Yes. So that man of God. And Uncle hope in continue that way and play church. But to so far, he might go on with him thing. Yes, man. Me lift off my hat to him, man. So Daddy Gargon, me I tell you, a long time me subscribe to you and you don't know a thing go. Cause me subscribe to you and you subscribe to me long time. You post your video, me make me comment, you reply. No matter how busy you is, you reply. If you post a video 1 o'clock and me have a time and watch a video and make a comment, by the next 30 minutes you will reply. Big up for that. Because you're busy seeing way. So lift off me hat to you. But you say as a man of God, you go to your church and thing. And to so far, me not have no problem with you. But you watch majority people channel and you give your opinion. Everybody have their own opinion. So a man can't fight on your opinion. If a man work with it or a man can't work with it. Right? You give your opinion. But based upon so far, you know, man, you is a straight man. You is a elder, you is a whole school. To how you grew up back in your time, you grew up with principle. I mean, see it in a youth, you hit your deal with. And trust me, where you go on YouTube, a principle you deal with. And truth and right and justice. Many people have got a problem with you. If they're guilty or whatever. But me not guilty or whatever. No. You just have to deal with the thing and we have to accept the truth and see we mistake and correct it and move to another levels. Right? And I watch enough time, you school a lot of people and sometimes people beg something, but I hear your opinion that. But you just have to do you see it and you just have to make them know say yo, so and so, you know. You don't know. Me there and watch a video them and thing, and even when they see you start on the next track where me see you drive a 6-inch nail. And you never drive a 6-inch nail from above. You drive it below. And that 6-inch nail where you drive, trust me, it will go through heart and reach all the people brains. Right? But everybody just can't sit back and see something go wrong and can't talk. There must be a person who can come out and jar up the curtain and say, yo, so and so, you know, man. Ray, you know. So, me not pretty up nothing me a talk, you know. Me just a talk how me see ya go on. And ya go on good. Me lift off me hat to you again. Ya go on good, you know. Me say me can't fight your opinion, that is your opinion. And you sit at the time, you do your thing, and you do your channel, and you see what go on out there, and you talk what go on out there. So, a man or a woman have to just understand and know, say, yo, that the Gargon a elder and the man does see. Whether if you view certain things wrong, me no business about that. Whether you view it right, me still no business about that. When me I say, to how me see you deal with things. To so far, you deal with things on a right track. Right? Just as how me I do my channel and me have my work. So when me get a time, me do my channel. You understand? Because you don't know anything go. Me have to have me 9 to 5, see him here. So if push come to shove and say, me show him me 9 to 5, me can do my channel full time. But at the same time, me have me 9 to 5. You don't know anything go here. And me I watch your man and me I tell her, say, yeah, go on good. Yeah, go on good. Yes, man. And just continue. No miss up. You just have to deal with truth and rights and justice. I just you that. You just have to do the thing plain and straight. You're not going to play naive to something wrong and laugh up with people and know say they do something wrong and laugh with them. You make them know say, yo, brethren or sister, you do something wrong, you know. So and so. And tomorrow, you're ain't good again. I respect you for that as an elder. I tell you. I respect you as an elder for that. You see it? So me there go on to my channel. Me not come on YouTube to say, boy, me a take side with people or me a... No, I know my style that. Me a deal with the thing positive and me a deal with going forward and me a deal with justice. Because at the end of the day, where a man do, them a get them pay back, you know. If you do good, you get back a good pay back. And if you do bad, you will get back a bad pay back. So people will understand. As a great book say, you know, where a man measure back to him. If it even take them 50 years, if I even find them bed, anything they do bad, it have to catch them back. You understand? And if you do good, good will come your way. Right. So that's what the thing said. As me say, me there, me just go and do my thing. When me find time, me do my video. Because you don't know a thing go. Yeah, that's how the thing go. Yeah, man. So me there go and inspect some tomato row and thing. Yeah, man. And yeah, everything up and running. If you can see me, I go down the road them. Everything up and running. Yeah. So me just go and voice my opinion about you. So, you're elder. You're elder, you know, man. You're old school, you know, man. You grew up in the belt and whip days coming up. So you know about deal with justice, truth and rights, you know. That you deal with. And you just call a spade a spade. You understand? You call a spade a spade. And you do your thing. And you just go and do your thing. Brethren, just go and do your thing. Who subscribe to you and not like it truth and then unsubscribe, a side thing go. You are going to have other people going to subscribe to you and support truth and right and justice and know that so life go. Right? Being naive is one of our biggest downfall. We see the thing wrong and we pretend like say it is right. No, for nothing wrong, I think it's just wrong. Right? As for them say, Miss a lie and Miss a truth went to the river. And when Miss a truth though, jump off naked in the water. And when Miss a lie though, jump off in the clothes because what? Him have a fear cover up. So it's just a general speech. You see it? The truth walk naked, but lie have to cover up. So if somebody attack the truth, he just talk the truth plain. But when a man tell lie, he have to cover it up and tell lie upon top of lie. You understand? Yes. So, you do your thing and Yeah, color soldier. Colors accept you as in soldier same way. That's how it thing fi go. Right? Yes man. Zina so it thing go. And me as a young YouTuber, me lift me hats to you see me because you're a elder and the thing. And you're a man go out there and you make them know say yo. People be subscribe to other man channel. You have to find it time and subscribe to other man channel. Just like how people subscribe to your channel. That's how it thing go. Zin. Me appreciate every viewers and people who subscribe to my channel for a long time. I appreciate every one of them. They would have never subscribe to my channel, but what? Them subscribe, so me appreciate it. Me appreciate it a lot. Zin? And me subscribe to many channel long time. And when video drop, me watch video and everything. And my channel when me drop video. But you know, me I left that one at a time. Cause me see you kinda a driving here. And you are driving here. But I now go tell you where you are driving here. But as me say, you drive a 6-inch nail. It is not 2-inch or 1-inch. It's a 6-inch nail you drive. And you never drive it from above, you drive it from below. And it go run through people, it go rent up people's heart. And bust up people's brain. But a man just looking at themselves and catch up themselves. And know that this platform here is for everybody. And who in the grandstand I go be a player one at the time in the field. You understand? So you make sure I throw the card out there and call a spade a spade. And you just make them know say yo, you no need to Lego certain things, or people need to do this, or people need to do that, or yeah. I saw the thing go. Yeah man, just as how me as a young YouTuber, me not read no way getting at it, and a person from down a Uganda subscribe to my channel and message me and tell me say I watch him and watch my channel and see how me I introduce some bush, some herbs. And one of the herbs, him never know it. Him see it and never know it. And him try the herbs, and the herbs is good tea for him. So him give me an invitation. And so whenever you're free up and have time and you want to take a vacation, you must come to Uganda. My home is welcome for you. And if you don't want to stay at my home and you want to stay at a hotel, there is no problem. Let me bring you a tour of Uganda to them safari and etc. etc. But I will give you an update on that when the time is right. So I say, yeah, if I say God will work things for you. And me I say, man, that is the first move for me. Because my dream was to visit the motherland. And see, at the right timing, I post that video about November. Yeah, somewhere about November. And see, just a week ago somebody I scroll and the person said he see the name and he, like it when he see the name on YouTube, it just draw my attention. Say click on it and he goes up bam and click on it and he start watch my video them. And he get and that one draw my attention when he start watch about the herbs them. Yes. Yes, so that is how God works. So Daddy Gargon, yeah, do your thing. Just go on easy back, do your thing, and got the work thing in the right time and the right and proper way. So just as how me there so, and somebody could have subscribed to my channel from Uganda and give me an invitation, and that person who give me the invitation is a tour guide down there. So you see how God work things? Yes man. So you don't know that the Gargon, go on do your thing, stay positive, stay blessed, pick up yourself, you and your wifey, thumbs up to no, brethren. I saw the thing go, you don't know, we there same way, And you're a colours foot soldier. And me there same way. Grateful for what you do. Yeah, man, and you don't know. Big up yourself again. And God guide and protect you same way. And you go and do your thing. And you don't know. That's how you go. Alright, my brethren. Bless up yourself, man. Peace. I'm out.